once in a while, on a regular basis, but not all the time, we can take a person to a place where they say, oh my God, that's exactly how I'm feeling. This line of lyrics, this line, that's exactly what I'm feeling. And that's a power of AI if done with a certain open mindedness. I think the coolest one was Sky Jordan. This was in the very, very early days of our technology. And what he did is he would turn on his music. And as the music is going, he would click generate and in almost real time pick out lyrics for his beat. He would sort of improvise his rap with LyricStudio on top of the beat in real time and create the music like that. And so Sky Jordan has a whole playlist of videos where he shows how he does it. And it just blew my mind. And it really made me feel that as a technologist, you release something into the wild, and then that something, that entity that you created, is going to be collaborating with people in ways that you could have never envisioned.